Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you where to find Shopify store URLs. So the first step you simply need to do is to open your Shopify dashboard, and here you need to go onto the online store. So once you are on your online store, here you need to click on pages, and this is my contact page. So then you simply need to click on view page, and this is your Shopify store link. So this one, let me copy this because I do not name my store, so that's why it is like this. But if you name your store that anything from here, then your name will appear .myshopify.com. So let me show you here. So here you can see that this is my store. So this is the process how you can find Shopify store URL. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.